Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be doing an airflow test with all the box fans that I have. I'm going to be seeing which one can blow the Windmere KD16 the fastest. As you all, let's look at what we have. We have the WeatherWorks box fan, the rebadged Lakewood under Windmere, have an older Galaxy, the Dominion as you saw previously, and finally a Lasko Premium. Yes, I still have this El Cheapo box fan, mainly because it's kind of under my parents' care now, or I don't know how to put it. Effectively, I kind of abandoned it from my room, and so my parents pretty much own it now, so I don't feel like getting rid of it without their permission. But anyway, let's get started. Alright, I tried the airflow testing with the grill on, but so far none of them were really doing that well, so I'm gonna see how much better it works with the grill off. So, we're gonna test my personal favorite, the Lakewood, first. So, here's high. It's not going that fast. Still moving. Next we're gonna try the WeatherWorks cell. Oh, this one gets it up to speed nicely. Yeah, look at it go. Alright, there's medium. And low. Now it's the Galaxy's turn. Gets it up to speed. Sorta. Yeah, seems to have the same amount of strength as the Lakewood. Medium. Medium on this one actually keeps it going. And low. Yeah, I guess it blows just slightly bit more air than the Lakewood. Alright, now we're gonna do the El Cheapo Lasco. We probably already know where this is going, but let's see if it has a chance. Let's see. Oh, we're getting something. Wait, it's slowing down. Yeah, seems the problems with these modern fans is that the airflow is very inconsistent. Of course, it also doesn't help that this thing goes rather slow. I don't know what the problem is. And I think we saved the best for last. So, oh yeah, it definitely blows a lot of air. So yeah, that's the airflow of 5 20-inch box fans that I have. And as we all seen, the Dominion probably did the best job, with the WeatherWorks coming very close. The Dominion definitely has the best construction with its metal blades and strong metal frame. It has a wide enough frame. However, despite all this, I still prefer the fans like the Galaxy and the Lakewood over to something like the Dominion or even the WeatherWorks, because, like I said, like as good as the airflow is with these fans, the 5-bladers are much quieter. I think the problem is just how fast that these tend to go faster than the 5-bladers. I mean, they're not bad, but I do prefer something a little quieter. Though I think we can definitely agree that all 4 of these are much better than this one. I mean, there's barely any airflow with the top of the blades. That's the flimsiest cabinet. The badge is very close to the hub. You push it in and it slows down greatly. Has wires being held with glue, whereas the others actually have the wires built into the bars. Very loose switch. So yeah. Either way, while these three are from the 90s, they still do a decent job compared to today's garbage. But either way you look at it, the Dominion performs the best of. It gives the best amount of airflow, but I find the 5-bladers to be more. It's like I find it more comfortable living with since they're quiet. And that is my video.